So next is the examples of the alloys of different metals. So first of all, alloys of steel. So stainless steel is here, which is the composition. I am providing you the tabular form, which is very important to learn, because very important part is asking from you guys, that is a composition of particular alloy. So in the case of stainless steel, composition is iron, chromium and nickel, 73, 18 and 8%. Fine. So this is very useful thing which we need to be learn. Composition किससे बन के कौन से मेटल को इंटरमिक्स करके होमोजीनियस मिक्सचर बनाया जा रहा है पर्टिकुलर अलॉय का. एंड क्यों बनाया जा रहा है हमारे पास? बिकॉज वी हैव लर्न दैट कि दिस पर्टिकुलर टर्म इज क्वाइंड विद अस इन द केस ऑफ प्रिवेंटिव मेजर ऑफ करोजन. तो ऑब्वियसली वी आर गोइंग टू मेक अलॉयज, दे विल बी resistant for the corrosion. Fine. So this is, you can see the properties here. In every property you are find this particular alloy is resistant to corrosion. And uses you guys can see for making utensil, cutlery, all these automobile part and ornamental pieces. Next is the manganese steel, iron, manganese, 86% is iron, 13% is manganese and rest is carbon. This is very hard resistance, wear to tear, and that's what is used for making rock drill, safes, hammering, etc. Fine. Another is alloys of aluminium. So alloys of aluminium is duralium. Composition is aluminium, manganese, magnesium and copper. Magnesium is 0.5%, manganese is also 0.5%. So it is also used in the aircraft, light tool, pressure cookers, etc. Next is magnesium, aluminium and magnesium. 95% aluminium, magnesium is 5%, and this is used for the aircraft and scientific tools, etc. Fine. Another important thing is alloys of copper. These are very important alloy, brass and bronze. In that composition very important, brass and bronze दोनों सेम है, थोड़ा सा डिफरेंस है, इसलिए बहुत बार एग्जामिनेशन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से दे बोथ ऑफ द अलॉय कैन बी आस्क्ड फॉर देयर composition. Copper is 60 to 80%, zinc is 40 to 20% in case of brass, and differences with bronze is copper is 80%, zinc is 1% only, and SN tin is 19% only. सो दिस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. जो अपने पास थोड़ा सा डिफरेंस है, ब्रॉन्ज में टिन ऐड किया जाता है अलॉन्ग विद जिंक, एंड जिंक का परसेंटेज इज 1% ओनली, एंड यूज फॉर द स्टैचू मेकिंग एंड मेडल्स एंड कॉइन्स. फाइन. So that's all about this chapter, and now we need to move forward with the MCQ part of this chapter. Thank you.